Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable energy dashboards using Google Home and Nest. Full guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure you are signed in with your Google account. On the home screen, locate and tap the plus icon in the top left corner. Select Set Up Device from the menu. Choose Works with Google to connect with compatible devices. Search for Nest in the list of services. Select Nest and sign in to your Nest account if prompted. Grant the necessary permissions for Google to access your Nest data. Once connected, return to the home screen of the Google Home app. Tap on the device icon that represents your Nest thermostat. Scroll down to find the Energy section. You may see an option for Energy Dashboard or similar. Select this option to enable the Energy Dashboard feature. Follow any on-screen instructions specific to your device. Once enabled, the Energy Dashboard will display your consumption data. You can also customize notifications and settings from this menu. To view your energy usage, go back to the main screen. Tap on the thermostat icon to open up detailed statistics. Review insights such as energy usage trends and efficiency tips. You can also ask your Google Assistant about your energy consumption. Simply say, "Hey Google, what's my energy usage?" This feature allows you to monitor and manage your energy consumption easily. Remember to explore all options within the Energy Dashboard for personalized insights. Now you're set up to manage your energy usage using Google Home and Nest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.